Let's look at this. It says, if the n term of a sequence is this, we should find the first 4 terms. And also, which term of the sequence is 70. Just simply put the formula down. To do this, to get the first one, we put 1 wherever we see n. This, you agree with me, is 3 multiplied by 0, which is equals to 0. Okay? For the second one, we put 2 wherever we see n. This is 4 multiplied by 1, which is 4. For the third one, the same thing. You agree with me? This is 5 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 10. Finally, okay, now you agree with me that this is 6 multiplied by 3, which is 18. So it means, therefore, the first one is 0, the second one is 4, the third one is 10, the fourth one is 18. If you want to continue, you can continue indefinitely, okay? Abu finished with A. The B says, which term of the sequence is 70? We're going to take 70. Say 70 is equals to this. That is n plus 2, n minus 1. So as you can see in this place, we're going to have a quadratic equation. So let me give a space. 70 is equals to, we expand this, that is n squared minus n plus 2n minus 2, which is equals to n squared, this is plus n minus 2. We move this to this side to have n squared plus n minus 2 minus 70, which is n squared plus n minus 72. Therefore, we can rearrange it to be n squared plus n minus 72 equals to 0. You agree with me that 9 times 8 will give us 72. And 9 minus 8 will give us 1. That is, 9n minus 8n will give us n. So we can use 9 and 8 for this quadratic equation. You know what to do for the other ones. That is to say, minus 8, n minus 8, n plus 9 equals to 0. So you agree with me, this is n equals to 8 or n equals to minus 9. There is no way we can get minus as a term. So this is completely out of it. So this is our result. That is the 8th term. So therefore, this 70 is the 8th term of this sequence. If you want to investigate it, you can try by saying 8 equals to 8 plus 2, 8 minus 1. So you can see in this place, okay? That is to say, here is 10 multiplied by 7 equals to 70. So 8 term is 70 for this sequence. All this understood. Thank you for viewing.